And this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you got areas like bathrooms and closets that are just getting weird smells and it's really sticky because there's so much moisture in the summertime, then it's time to absorb all those odors and moisture. Check this out from Arm & Hammer, the Moisture Absorber and Odor Eliminator. It does two jobs in one. It helps eliminate odors and it helps absorb that moisture. I personally like really using these in closets. I have a closet that has my dirty clothes, like my hamper, in with my clean clothes. So there's a lot of different smells going on, and I really don't want that to be put onto my clean clothes. So this helps combat those odors in there. They're very compact and easy to use. You can see the size of them. They're not very big, so it makes it perfect for fitting all small spaces in closets or even underneath toilets in the bathroom. So this literally just smells like baking soda, which is perfect and amazing. They're very easy to use. Everything is right here inside of it. It comes with the beads and the extra Arm & Hammer packet. You just follow the instructions right here in the back and it tells you how to open it, how to put the beads in, and then later when you're ready to empty it, again, it has the instructions, you follow it, and that way you can dispose of it properly. In my process of using this, I will say it took about a week to start noticing the difference. When you start seeing the water in the bottom, you'll actually see it collecting. It was like underneath this black line. I used it for about 5 weeks and you can see how much moisture it absorbed inside my tiny closet. If you're looking for a way to help eliminate odor and absorb moisture that you don't want in the air, and you want it to be something that's going to be easy to use, easy to dispose of, and great at doing its job, well then check this out. But that's just my point of view.